closing out their last game against Ilagan Isabela. Two teams that are searching for relevance in the North Division. The tip going to the side of the guys in white. Itong Manila. Ken Pangilinan kasama si Coach Juanito Gregorio at courtside Miss Andrea Endicio. And right off the bat, Tres ang pinakawalan. Noligon gets to his spot, takes the three. No good. Barrera with the rebound. Barrera sees an open lane, lays it up and in.
You know what I like about Mark Barrera is about 6'3", but he plays terrific for that 2 or 3 possession. Wow! I'm not even done with what I'm saying, but John Fa, just so quick. Hindi, grabe, no? Paano pag nag-foot race? John Fa versus Andre Gonzalez.
Robbie Darang, sabot.
Travel, John Fa.
Fast Player of the Game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
Just a hard drive by Mark Barrera using his length to his advantage.
Aaron Akop will put down that 3-point.
I think that was Andre Akop who got that shot.
Oo, si Andre.
The leading scorer nga para dito sa Bulacan.
So 3-point shot na ito, sa atin niya na Extreme ang subok at kumpletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Andre pass to Miko Dizon na ilusot. Doon on the other side, LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Noligon, those huge strides, lays it up and in, plus a foul.
No, both teams pa.
Tinawagan siya ng foul as you see that shot go in. After a whistle, which was a foul, medyo nagkatinginan sila nung isang player from Ilagan, si Mark Noligon. Pumagit na isang referee, si Jet, hindi naman mainit yung ulo, parang natatawa, inawakan yung buong referee, ginanon. Pero Nakop hitting a jumper to cut the lead down to 4, and the referee, after nag-umawat siya,
parang Mo Peterson moment ba to?
Oo, parang ganun, parang ganun.
Parang ganun. Sige nga, hanapin ko nga yan.
Nakalusot si Andre Akop for second basket.
Yun ang perfect term, swabe.
Salaveria, supalpal, inabot kay Miko Dizon. Tatakbo Bulacan. Akop brothers. No, that's Espinosa. Draw. Saan si John Fa? Back to Alfred. Dumps it down low. Dalawa lang sila nagpasahan doon, pero basket.
To take the shot.
Sports Plus is the official sports book of the MPBL. Scan the QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.p of Manila. Fa throws the ball away. Akop on the run. Aaron Akop with the gorgeous finish.
Just move.
Tira galing sa labas. Miko Dizon snares down another board. Andre Akop spins over Alfred Cedillo. Puts it in.
The league flourishing. Back to you guys.
Saktong-sakto dito sa San Rafael. Also has roots from Bustos, Bulacan. Ito si Aris Dionisio. And that Manila squad was stacked with Aris Dionisio, Chris Biton, Real Cervantes.
John Gabriel, I think, was there.
March De Leon. Herald Benedictos knocks down the trifecta.
It's the perfect.
Meron silang every year, they call it the Angel Festival. So inaalay nila sa patron saint na si San Rafael Arcangel. Maraming taong nagsipagsuot ng kasuotang anghel ng sabay-sabay sa isang pagtitipon.
Okay. Agahan mo ng bawat an hour or two.
Tama.
Diba, ikot-ikot ka. Let's say Laguna or Batangas. Sa Batangas, sure yan lagi. Pag Batangas ang game, you go an hour early. The running game continues for both of the squads.
John Fa, sumalakay sa loob, lays it up and in.
Hindi lang bilis ang meron to si John Fa. He knows how to control his body, even
Manila, chance to take the lead. Extreme ang subok at kumpletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Shot rejected by Barrera, but there to clean it up. Pass outside Castillo. Masyadong matulis yung tira. John Fa the rebound. John Fa goes up strong, undeterred by 4 defenders.
try to snake it, try to attack. used his bomb. These were two taller guys than John Fa. Pero yung control niya sa katawan niya at sa
Doligon, rebound off a miss. Baltasar, fake. Basket in one. What a pass from John Fa.
during the photo shoot of the MPBL.
Sport Plus.
Yung photo shoot ng
Okay,
MPBL. Nalaman daw niya na after ng photo shoot, biglang nagbihis.
Sayo, those were the humble beginnings back then. ManiPay is the digital wallet built for the community. And it's really amazing how the league has grown over 8 seasons, Juanito.
I still have a few friends.
Doligon gets it. Magka-out on mga dagdagan yung kanilang kalama. There's a wealth of experience. Given na ang haba ng season natin, daming veteran teams. So they really just to pick each and every one from each game on the road.
Actually,
para sa kanila.
nakalaban ko pa ito si Coach Alan Sanangsang as a coach. He was coaching, I think, a 1400 and a 1600 team during the, a little bit post-pandemic era.
No good. Jem Cruz the rebound. Pitch ahead to Mark Barrera. Aaron Ako. Top shot to the baseline.
Even if he's falling down, he knows how to finish.
Andre pass to Jem Cruz. Lays it in. Transition bucket from Bulacan.
Against Manila, maraming veterano, but the skills and the experience, makakayang lumaban dito ng Bulacan.
Nakatres ang Manila off a timeout. Jem Cruz turns down the outside jumper. Draws closer. Pulls it back out. Nahanap si Barrera. Bagyang na libre. Just enough space.
On the side of his team.
Jason Mancao answers right back with a three of his own.
One on the right, one on the left para dito kay Jason Mancawi.
John Fa. Pass outside. John Baltasar.
Not the usual guy that will stretch out the floor, but actually college team ko. When we're doing drills and then they make a three, ang tawag nila sa rin nila Del Pozo eh. Hindi ko makilala si Russell Del Pozo noong time na yun.
Hindi pala pwede.
Hindi ka pala naglalaro.
Napanood mo na ba yung sa Netflix, yung Kerala? You see that basket?
Reserve ko yung episode na yun.
Etong pagbating ito, walang paltos. Kahit ilang beses kong gawin.
Yes.
Kahit kada quarter gagawin ko to. Maligayang bati sa'yo. Doligon. Cedillo sa poste, drop step, lays it in.
That's a specialty of Alfred Cedillo, yung kanyang reads. It's not the quickest of moves.
ManiPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Barrera, finger roll, a thing of beauty.
No help side coming from Manila off the screen.
Decoy, bola na agaw ni Andre Jacob. Ahead is Jem Cruz. Catches, lays it in. Doligon. Getting past Nico Dizon. Binangga ni De Leon. Makes it anyway.
He just lost balance. That was the drive. It lost his hand. It slipped. And then all of a sudden, pasok pala para kay Mark Doligon.
Alahoy. Walang almusal para sa'yo. Cut by Barrera. Ken Castillo using his left hand to finish that one off.
He read that well with that cut. They did not use the screen.
Bola na wala sa Manila, Bulacan. Barrera. Not force it up. Pulls it back out. Jem Cruz, he drives, he scores.
That was a hard angle for Jem Cruz. Right there, deep inside, not the best angles, but enough skill for Jem.
So malaksak si Mark Doligon. He will finish off that layup.
Saka na nanonood. I'm sure sila Michael nanonood. So, paabot na lang po ng aming bate.
Oo. Agawan sa bola, napunta kay John Baltasar.
That was a straight line for Herald Benedictos and the putback as well. But lucky for Manila that miss will...
Coy Lopez. Eusebio launches a three and knocks it down.
He's making big baskets.
Alfred Cedillo. Ball stolen away by Andre Jacob. I beg to disagree with that ranking.
Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo, Ken.
Mga pang-6. Uy, pasok yung tres ni Jem Cruz.
Finally, a 3 for them.
Naagaw pa ni Andre Jacob. 4 minutes left.
The first half it was Mark Barrera. The second half it's Jem Cruz.
Yeah.
So it's like a 1-2 punch for them today. The Acobs started in the first quarter.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Mark Donegon jackknifes his way inside for 2. John Fa will attack, goes to the other side. He will finish.
Even getting a few threes, these two really were crucial for Bulacan to get this home game.
Bulacan picking up their 3rd victory. Mart Barrera started things off, but this guy, our best player of the game, brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Jem Cruz was all over the place, getting rebounds, scoring a lot of points, inside, outside, you name it. At kaya naman siya yung napili natin, Juanito.
A big impact para dito sa Bulacan. Jem Cruz was a guy that provided the numbers, provided the energy, provided